Hello and welcome to the Ready Claim channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car insurance discounts. Whether you're a student, a senior citizen, or a safe driver, there's a discount out there for you. It's all about understanding what's available, from multi-vehicle savings to discounts for low mileage and good driving behavior. In this video, we'll explore these discounts and more, providing you with valuable tips to help you save on your car insurance. Stick around to learn how you can save money on your car insurance. First on the list, we have safe driver discounts and multi-vehicle discounts. Now, what do these mean? Well, safe driver discounts are the rewards you get for maintaining a clean driving record. It's a way for insurance companies to say thank you for being a responsible driver. So, how can you be a safe driver? Simple. Follow traffic rules, be mindful of speed limits, and avoid reckless driving. Now let's talk about multi-vehicle discounts. This is where insuring multiple vehicles under the same policy comes into play. If you have more than one car in your household, you can bundle the insurance for all of them. This not only simplifies the management of your policies, but also leads to cost savings. To sum it all up, being a safe driver and bundling your vehicle insurance can lead to substantial savings. So, drive safely and consider bundling your policies to make the most of these discounts. Did you know being a good student or installing an anti-theft device in your car can lower your insurance premiums? Indeed, car insurance providers often reward academic excellence with good student discounts. Typically, you'll need to maintain a grade point average of B or higher, or be among the top 20% of your class. Homeschooled students can also qualify by scoring in the upper percentile on standardized tests. So keep hitting those books. It might just save you some bucks on insurance. Now, let's switch gears to anti-theft devices. Fitting your car with approved anti-theft devices can significantly reduce your insurance premiums. This could be something as simple as a steering wheel lock or as high-tech as a GPS tracker. Insurers see these measures as reducing the risk of theft, hence, lowering the potential claim payout. So, acing your exams and securing your car can also secure you a nice discount. Driving less and learning more can also lead to discounts. Now, let's dive into the world of low mileage and defensive driving course discounts. Insurance companies love drivers who spend less time on the road because fewer miles mean fewer opportunities for accidents. If your lifestyle allows you to drive less than the average motorist, you could qualify for a low mileage discount. It's a simple equation. Less driving equals less risk equals lower premiums. On the other hand, defensive driving courses are a fantastic way to not only improve your skills behind the wheel, but also to potentially lower your insurance costs. These courses teach you how to anticipate potential hazards and make safer decisions on the road. Insurance providers recognize the value of this education and often offer discounts to drivers who complete approved courses. So, whether you're cutting back on your commute or honing your driving skills, remember this. Reducing your mileage and investing in your driving education can be a win-win for your safety and your wallet. Our heroes, our elders, and our loyal customers also get their share of discounts. Let's begin with our valiant military personnel and first responders. Many insurance providers honor these brave individuals with special discounts, acknowledging their service and commitment. The eligibility requirements vary, but usually, a simple verification of your service can unlock these benefits. Next, we have our respected senior citizens. Age does come with wisdom, and in this case, with potential for lower insurance rates. Some providers offer discounts to drivers over a certain age, recognizing their years of experience on the road. Finally, let's talk about loyalty. Staying with the same insurance provider over time can lead to significant savings. It's their way of saying thank you for your trust and commitment. The longer you stay, the more you might save. It's worth exploring these loyalty programs and understanding their benefits. Whether you're serving your country, reaching your golden years, or sticking with your insurance provider, there are discounts waiting for you. Last but not least, let's talk about good driving behavior discounts. This is all about usage-based insurance, a unique way of tailoring your premium based on how you drive. With telematics technology, insurers can monitor your driving habits. Smooth accelerations, gentle braking, and sticking to the speed limit could all earn you discounts on your policy. So, the better you drive, the more you save. Remember, every good turn on the road can turn into savings on your insurance. Thank you for joining us today on the Ready Claim channel. Drive safe and save.